what had happened when your aunt had passed.
First of all, it was obviously a horrible loss for myself and my family. And it was right around the time that the effects of the alienation were becoming apparent. So we had a wake for my aunt, and my children were being dropped off by my ex-mother. Every single time this woman drops my children, she gives me the middle finger, or there's some swears or something of that nature. Thought maybe, just maybe, on this particular occasion, out of some semblance of human respect, that she wouldn't do it. She, of course, flips me off when she drops them off. And there was a long line. It was a fantastic tribute, to my aunt's life and the impact that she had on others. She was a teacher and she affected many children's lives in very positive ways. So my children come to the wake and there's a line, and they walk up and say hello to family, and I say, "Girls, all right, I'll go with you. We're going to go in the line."
Mhm.
And they said, we're family. We're not going in the line." I said, "Excuse me?" And they said, "No, we're family. We're not going in line." And I'm sitting there just like about to be mortified. I said, "Listen to me right now. You're not better than anybody else here. We go to the back of the line. These people have come to pay their respects, and we'll do the same. You got here now, we'll go to the back of the line." They cut in the line. I mean, at a wake. And my family is sitting there
Mhm.
horrified. And what am I supposed to do in that position?
Mhm. Mhm.
Um, in front of an entire, everybody's grieving to begin with. And
Mhm.
then a move like that's an example of systemic alienation, and just a very particular example of how you can recognize that behavior. If you're at a
Mhm.
wake and your children, you get flipped off by the person who dropped them off, and then on top of it, they want to cut in line at a wake. Whew, that's a tough position to be in, but
They become entitled.
again, well, it's more than that. It's like you have your marching orders, and no matter what, you're going to act out in some way, shape, or form.
Mhm.
And that again, big picture. Well, are they? If I'm not there, would they exhibit that behavior? Obviously, someone might have a significant problem with that.
Mhm.
Uh, you know,
That's a,
it's alarming.
yeah, it's such a shame. And thank you for sharing that with us. It's another warning of parental alienation, that these kids are suffering child psychological abuse.
That's absolutely 110% correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.